Okay, kids, this is today's activities tutorial and the path you're gonna keep. Here I have added this checklist that is for you to keep track of your work. So if you click there, that's the first thing that you're gonna do. You're gonna click there and please, you're going to print that checklist of activities so you can check as soon as you finish each of the activities, okay? Then you're gonna follow, well, the checklist that is going to walk you through the activities you're going to do for today. So you have, first of all, mental math. The second activity, you're going to be doing a workshop about money. You're going to need paper, pencil, and you're gonna click here, where it says here, for you to see today's workshop, okay? You're going to upload the questions here in this formula, in this form. You're acquainted with this already. You write your name, your surname, number of the list, your class, and here is your workshop. Number 4 is for information purposes, so you don't have to write anything there. It's just for you to see the what you have to do. Well, the prizes, and then they begin to ask you questions that you have to solve using your paper and pencil, okay? When you finish, you already know that you click submit, and I'm going to receive those answers because this workshop is going to be graded, okay? The last activity for today is going to be a very cool one. It is made of 2 steps. The first one is you're gonna print your own coins, your US coins, for you to see them, explore them. You can color them if you want. And the second activity is going to be to print your own $100 bill, okay? This is going to be a challenge, and outside these activities, you're going to upload your 100 bill activity, okay? Here you see mine, and here you're going to upload like the fraction challenge, the pizza fraction challenge. You're going to follow the same steps for you to upload your $100 bill with your face, okay? That's it, kids. I hope you have fun today in our class. If you have any questions, you find me in the chat. You already know, okay? Bye-bye.